Assalamualaikum. Kita akan buat sedikit permulaan untuk latihan berkenaan arithmetic dan juga geometrical increase method. So mohon tengok cara saya buat kerja. So we have 4 years representing of 1, 2, 3, 4 values, and the population we have here, we will put the present population to the very latest year, which is number 4. So here should be 100,000, and 1 decade before is 95,000. 2 decade before is 90,500, and the last is 3 decade before. That is should be the first population for the first year. So now we are going to find what is the increment of between year 1 and year 2. So if you try to calculate, you will get the increment is 4,000. Okay, for year 2 and year 3, the increment will be 4,500, and for year 3 and year 4, the increment will be 5,000. So all of these, we will find the average increment, which is equal to 13,500 divided by 1, 2, 3 stages of increment. So average increment will be 4,500. Okay, so first stage of computing for arithmetic method growth has been completed. Now we can do the next step, which is determining the value of population after 1, 2, and 3 decades. Please note that 1 decade is equal to 10 years. So what is the formula for determining the population using arithmetic methods? The formula is population for the year n, which is what we want to determine, is equal to the current population plus average increment times or multiplied by time in the term of decades. This time I will use decades. So I'm going to fill in the blanks, replace the formula with exact value. So for the first decade, I put it as P1. it will be equal to the current population, which is 100,000 plus average K, which is 4,500 multiplied by, I want it for the first decade, so I must multiply it by 1. This equation will bring the answer equal to 104,500 persons. So, for the next question, it wants you to calculate what is the population for 2 decades after the initial population. Use the same formula and replace with suitable values. Your initial population still 100,000 person plus 4,500 multiplied by 2, and your answer should be 109,000 person. And plus you will calculate the population for 3 decades after. Still you use 100,000 as your initial population value plus 4,500 multiplied by 3 decades, and you get 113,500 persons. So complete your answer for arithmetic incremental growth method. Now I am going to show you how to calculate this, how to estimate this data, the data of population after 1, 2 and 3 decades using incremental increase method. So this time we cannot use the same formula, it will be different, but we still can use the same table. Only we add this one. This is X and another one is Y. This one is incremental increase. So the data we key in is still the same. Only we have to find what is the Y increment. So only we have only difference for this and this. So the difference should be 500. From 4,000 to 4,500, the difference is 500. And from 4,500 to 5,000, the difference is also 500. So this time I am going to use the notation X average, and we should find another one average, which is Y average. And okay, sorry, we are not going to find average, but we are going to find the total of X. No need to divide by 3. Okay. So Y average is Y total is equal to 1,000. So for incremental increase method, the formula will be different. For certain population, for certain year population, you are going to calculate initial population plus X increment times initial times determination times plus requirement time this is the formula for incremental increase method, and you're going to replace the symbol with exact value. As usual, our initial population is 100,000 person. Our X value is 13,500. Don't forget to put the correct symbol. Times n, and our n is 1. Plus n again, so 1 again, plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 times y. What is y? Y is the incremental of this column. The value is 1,000. So we are going to have the answer. Oh, sorry, I am not calculating it yet. So I hope from this explanation you can manage to answer the same question using different values in other time. Okay.